Oh my heavens! You've caught me again with my snout in the peanut butter jar. Welcome to Jim's Kitchen. And yes, I love peanut butter. And I'm collaborating with my pals at Galley of the Sun, and we're making recipes that involve peanut butter. And another coincidence, they both involve pork. I don't know why, but I've always just been a fan of pork products. I'm gonna be using this peanut butter to make peanut butter and jelly pulled pork sandwiches. This ought to be good.
Pulled pork. That sounds pretty good, Jim. You know what sounds better? Pampered pork. Gently massaged pork.
I'm ready to gather my ingredients and get cooking. I need my crock pot. I've got my pork shoulder. I'm adding some pepper and some salt. Let's rub that in there and place that in your slow cooker. You need to grab a bowl, a can of chicken broth, a cup of creamy peanut butter. The jelly we're using is apricot preserves. We need 3/4 cup of that in the bowl. 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar, 1 chopped sweet onion coming up, 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon minced garlic. Mix it all together and cover that meat. And I'm gonna cook it on low for 6 to 8 hours. I wonder what Mike's doing now.
Shh. I'm hunting javelinas. That was just a pig.
Well, it's been 8 hours and now it's time to pull it. I'm just gonna pull it out. Look how nice and juicy. I need to get the fork out and spread it apart. It has a very peanut buttery aroma. Peanut butter and jelly pulled pork. This ought to be good. Wow. It has such a nice juicy flavor. The peanut butter comes through wonderfully. It has a kind of smoky peanut butter taste. It's not overly strong. The jam, I'm not really noticing it. There's a little hidden sweetness that must be the jam. But peanut butter and jelly pulled pork, it's a winner. It's always a joy doing a collaboration with Galley of the Sun. You're gonna have to go over and visit them on their channel and see their amazing creation. Whoa! That looks good! What do you call a pig that's always wrong? Mistaken bacon.